How to change Google Maps to walking. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Google Maps application over here on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account over here as well. Next, what you simply have to do is tap on the search bar over here and search for a location. So for example, if I'm going to search over here for a location, so I'm going to set the location over here. And as you do that, you can see the option of direction that pops down over here. So tap on directions over here. And as you do that, you'll be able to choose the start location. So let's select that as well. And as you do that, you can see different options from your private vehicle to the public transportation or by walking. So there are three main ways on how you can approach. So just tap on the walking option and you'll be given the direction according to that. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.